why we need to communicating with these electronic devices, sir? Got my point, right? Why we need to communicate with?
Because so many present.
If I'm not communicating with these electronic devices, what happening?
No work is there.
Yes. Now communicate. Suppose let us example. Let us take our SBI bank case. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. SBI bank means what is the responsibility of this SBI bank here? How this SBI bank is doing business? They are doing business or
Because
not?
using desktops, digital.
Yes. What is the main responsibility of this SBI bank here? They have to provide some service to the outside peoples or not.
Yes, sir.
Whatever the outside peoples are there, those outside peoples, certain requirements are available or not available, guys. Definitely we
Yes,
have
sir.
a requirement, right?
Yes.
Yes. Suppose let us example. This is my SBI bank.
Okay.
This is my SBI bank, guys. This SBI bank means so definitely within this SBI bank, SBI bank peoples are available or not available, guys.
Yes.
Yes. SBI bank guys are available here. This is my one SBI bank guy. Now this SBI bank peoples are available means so oh this SBI bank what is the main responsibility of this SBI bank here? So this SBI bank they have to communicate with this outside world or not, guys?
Yes.
Why they are communicating with this outside world?
Because it's our duty.
In order to do the business, definitely they have to communicate with this outside world, right?
Yes.
Yes. So what is the responsibility of this SBI bank? So definitely whatever the outside world peoples are there, they have a certain requirement,
Yes.
right? Yes. So in order to fulfill the requirement of these outside people, they are providing some services.
Yes.
In that way, they are doing the business or not, guys? Yes. So that means whatever the then at that time, what suppose let us example, I have a one requirement here. So what is my requirement? I want to take a loan from the bank. As of now,
Okay.
I don't have sufficient balance. In that case, so definitely I have to take a loan. I have to apply loan for the particular bank or not, so that I
Yes.
can fulfill my requirement, right? Suppose I want to
Yes.
buy some particular element. So whatever it may be, so whether it is a car, bike, whatever it may be, so house, so for that in order to fulfill my requirement, so definitely money is mandatory. So but as of now I
Yes.
don't have money. In that case, so if the SBI is provided some particular loan, my requirement got filled or not? So whatever the customer now, I at that time definitely I have to open one bank account in my SBI bank or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
So that means here suppose an example. This is my outside people.
People.
This outside people. This outside people, they have a certain requirement is available. What
Yes.
is the requirement here?
Loan for from bank.
Yes. So need
Loan
he
from
needs some
bank.
particular money, right?
Yes.
He need money means how it is possible at that time? So definitely he has to take the loan from this bank or not.
Yes, sir.
He wants to take a loan from this bank.
Bank.
From the loan from the bank, they want to take this loan means first of all, this outside people should be one customer of this SBI bank or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
How this person should be a customer of this SBI bank?
Sir.
How it is possible, guys? When this outside people is a one customer of this SBI bank,
Yes.
if they open one bank account in this SBI, then only this outside people comes under the customer of this SBI bank or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
So that means this person open one bank account means then definitely this person is comes under the one customer or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Customer of SBI.
SBI.
Now this outside person, as of now, this outside people. Now for this SBI bank, he is one of the customer or not?
Yes.
Now he is one of the customer. Once he opened the bank account, now he is one of the customer.
He is a customer.
In that case, if they are providing some particular loan for this particular SBI customer means definitely they can do the business with outside peoples or not.
Yes.
They are doing business means in order to fulfill the requirement of this customer, they are providing some service or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so that means in order to fulfill the requirement of this outside customer. So what is the main responsibility of this outside bank people say? So in order to fulfill requirement,
Oh, customer.
they are providing these services or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
They are providing services. In that case, they are providing services means how they are providing services here? How they are providing these
Through the
services?
digital.
Suppose let us example, you gone to SBI bank. These SBI bank people are nowadays utilizing pen and papers.
No.
Come on, guys.
They have digital.
Yes, so in order to provide this loan, these SBI bank people are what are the within the SBI bank? Definitely SBI bank people are these guys are available or not, guys?
Yes.
Yes, these guys are available means so they are utilizing pen and papers nowadays.
No, sir.
No, right? They are not utilizing these pen and papers or not, guys?
Yes.
Yes, so nowadays, so no one utilize this pen and so papers in order to communicate with, in order to fulfill their outside customer requirement or not.
Yes, sir.
So whatever the SBI bank peoples are there, these bank peoples also against they have to communicate with these electronic devices or not, guys? Yes, so definitely they have to no one utilized. So nowadays no one used pen and papers or not, guys? Yes, definitely what they are utilizing here. So definitely this SBI bank people is responsible to so communicating with these electronic devices or not, guys? Yes, so definitely they have to use electronic devices. So electronic devices means what are the electronic devices available? There may be a chance of there are multiple electronic devices or not. Come on. So either it may be computer. Come on, guys. Either it may be computer or we have a ATM machines or not, guys? We have ATM machines, right? Through the ATM also we can able to withdraw some particular amount or not, guys? We can also utilize our mobiles, right? Come on, guys. As like so there are multiple electronic devices are available or not? No, they can utilize anything, right? So that means either they can utilize this monitor, or they can utilize this mobiles, or this ATM machines, or tablet, whatever it may be. So anything. So definitely they have to communicating with all these electronic devices. By communicating with these electronic devices only, they can able to fulfill all their requirement or not, guys? No, come on, guys. So anyway, what exactly available? Whether this person is communicating with monitor, mobiles, ATMs, tabs, whatever it may be, what exactly it is available, guys? Hello.
Mobiles, sir.
Yes. Suppose let an example. One person wants to withdraw some transfer one amount from one account to another account. Then
To ATM.
is it possible from the mobiles?
No, sir. No, okay. It's Phone Pay, Google Pay.
Yes. So that means what exactly they have within this mobile. So what simply what it is called? We simply call it as a apps or not, guys?
Yes, sir. Apps, applications.
Yes. So simply we call it as an apps, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
apps.
Apps is nothing but application or not, guys?
Yes, sir. Application.
As simply we call it as apps, but it is an
Apps.
application only. So in the mobiles also it is an application. In the ATM machines also it is an application.
Application.
The tab also anywhere, so that application should be available or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that application should be available. Suppose let an example, you gone to ATM machine. Within the ATM machine, what exactly available here? So they are providing one digital screen. Within the digital
Yes.
screen, so all the options are available or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so withdraw. So whenever we are inserting on your ATM card, immediately one screen will be displayed. So what are
Yes.
the digital screen they provided here? In that the digital screen, so manually they are all this doing all these things, no, right? There
Yes.
also one application will be displayed or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, one application is displayed. Within that
Display.
application, all options are available. So
Yes.
banking, withdrawal, loan, all these things, balance inquiry, as like there are multiple based on the this bank requirement. They are providing all these services to the customer or not?
Yes.
Yes, so in order to fulfill the requirement of this outside customer at any cost, this outside people, so in order to do the business, these banks, all these different sectors, they are communicating with these outside people in order to fulfill the requirement of these outside people. They are developing these different applications. They are providing these applications as a service to the customer or not, guys? If you want to
Yes.
pay, if you want to use those application services means, so definitely we have to communicating with these electronic devices or not. Without communicating with these electronic devices, are you able to get that service? Are you able to utilize those service or not able to utilize that
Yes.
particular service, guys? Definitely we should use that particular services means, so we if you want to fulfill the requirement of this outside customer. So definitely, suppose I have a one requirement. So what is my requirement? So I want to buy one particular element item, but that item is not available nearby me. Then what happen, guys? Definitely, I have to spend some
Mobile.
time. But
Yes.
see, if I'm utilizing this Amazon services, Amazon they
Yes.
provided one
Looking on our
particular
mobile
service.
app.
Yes. Yes, definitely. If you want to utilize the services means, without using Amazon application, without using Amazon website, without utilizing Amazon app in your mobile, so are you able to use that service?
No, sir.
No, right? Definitely we are not able to use that particular service or not. In
Yes.
order to use that service means we should communicating with electronic devices. That's why person to computer is communication is mandatory or not, guys? Yes,
Yes,
mandatory.
sir.
How it is possible? Through the operating system we can able to communicate with these electronic devices, sir. Because of this reason only, yes, at any cost outside people should start communicating with all these electronic devices. Now, because nowadays everything in the digital world are not, guys? Yes, digital world. And what are the outside customer requirements are there? All these requirements, in order to fulfill the requirement, yes, so there are different so sectors they provided all these services as a, so this particular applications means if you want to utilize those services means we should use these applications. How we can utilize applications? Definitely we should communicating with these electronic devices or not. That's why in nowadays everything in the digital world, and we should start communicating with these mobiles, laptops, all these things are not, guys.
Yes.
Yes, that is the main purpose of communicating with all
Communication.
these electronic devices, guys. Okay. Yes,
Okay.
as like there are multiple things are there here. Yes, we will continue tomorrow class.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.